Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you hate ironing as much as I do, you have to check out this clothes steamer by BEAUTURAL. It is so easy to use and so effective. So first of all, I love how easy the water tank comes out. You just have to squeeze these two little buttons, fill up the water tank, and just pop it back in. And there's only one button, so you just press the button and honestly, you wait like 30 seconds and it's ready to use. It's all heated up and you can see because the light will be flashing. So it's just as effective in my opinion as an iron, but it's just so much faster. You don't have to take out the ironing board. It's so quick, it's so effective. As you can see, my dress was so wrinkly to begin with, and this steamer is so fun to use. I just had to glide the steamer over a couple times. It took all the wrinkles out. I love how effective this steamer is, and I love how small it is. It's so tiny, so lightweight, so you can definitely travel with it to make sure that wherever you're going, your clothes are wrinkle free. I just feel like it's such an effective steamer, especially for the price point. You won't regret getting it, but that's just my point of view.